Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, which by the way I just renamed to Brody L Art instead of Pics for Life Draws. I just think it makes a lot more sense because the old name was kind of cringy and it didn't really make sense at all to me. But in this video I'm going to be drawing these stickers you see on the screen, digitally using Autodesk Sketchbook on my tablet, which I will be selling on my RedBubble shop called Brody L Art. If you guys want to check it out after this video, these will be for sale, so let's get started. The design you see me drawing on the screen right now is the first epic sticker. I actually drew drafts for 3 epic stickers, but I think this one's my favorite one. I'm not sure if the other 2 will be turned into stickers, so hopefully you guys like it. Now I'm going to be drawing a sticker of ZHC in a cartoon style that I made up. I actually really like drawing in this style, so originally it was supposed to be realistic, but it didn't look that good, so I just decided to simplify it, and I really like this style. I might do some more drawings like it in the future and make some videos about it, so I hope you all like it. So now I'm drawing a sticker of NF holding his balloons. This is probably one of my favorite designs, if not my favorite one. I use this in an animation on my other channel called Pics for Life Studios, if you guys want to check it out. So this one should be pretty good. Hopefully you guys like it. The final sticker I'm going to be drawing in this video is a picture of my hand holding a pencil and I'm drawing. So I really love this design. It's probably the only realistic one I'm going to be doing, but I think it looks pretty epic. So if you guys do like it, please make sure to buy it from my store. That'll be really awesome. So thank you and enjoy. that I've drawn all the stickers and uploaded them to RedBubble, I added them to my shopping cart, and as you can see, I have them all here. So I have the drawing hand sticker, I have the ZHC sticker, the Epic sticker, and lastly the NF sticker. So here's the prices for all of them. They're $1.56 when you buy 4 or more, but by themselves, they're $2.08 for one sticker. So I think that's a pretty good price, and RedBubble does take 20% of that. So I will get around like $1.50 probably. That's pretty good for just some sticker I made. So if you guys do like these designs, please buy them. That'd be really awesome. It'd help me out a lot. And I'm actually going to buy these things. Put them on my water bottle or my sketchbook or something. So yeah, that's all, and I'll see you in the outro. That's the end of this video. If you guys made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Try to post epic drawing videos every single week. And also, if you guys do like the stickers I just drew, they are for sale right now at my RedBubble shop, which is called BrodyL Art, no spaces. So that'd be really awesome if you guys could buy that. I'd really appreciate it. Give me some money and stuff so I could buy more art supplies. So yeah, that's all for this video. Leave a like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.